Hi everyone. In this video, I would like to discuss about setting up your Google account for NotebookLM access. In order to access NotebookLM tool, you should have an existing Gmail account or Google account. If you have not got Google account or Gmail account, then you may have to create an account to access Google Notebook LM. Before we start exploring NotebookLM, let's make sure you can access the tool and set it up properly. Don't worry, it is going to take only a few minutes and I'll guide you step by step. The very first thing is you have to go to accounts.google.com/sign up to create a Gmail account or Google account. If you are already using Google Docs, you are ready. You can use the same account. So you have to give your first name, last name, password and agree to the terms and conditions to finish the sign up. Always use a strong password and enable multi-factor authentication for security. So the very first step is to create a Google account. Step 2. Visit the official NotebookLM website. So once you have created Google account or Gmail account, the next thing is you should go to web browser and type this URL. It is https://notebooklm.google. If you type this link in the address bar and click enter, it is going to take you directly to NotebookLM site. Or simply, just in case if the URL changes in the future, what you can do is you can also simply go to google.com, hit enter, go to search and type Google Notebook LM, and from the search results click on the first link and it will take you directly to Google Notebook LM. If you are in a country where it is not yet available, you might see a not available in your region message. So Google has rolled out this feature in many countries, and just in case in your country if it is still not available, then you may have to wait and you will see not available in your region message. Once the page loads, click on get started, accept any permission Google asks for. You will land on your NotebookLM dashboard, your AI workspace. So once you click on Google Notebook LM, if it is asking you to accept some terms and conditions, all you need to do is click on get started, accept any permissions Google asks for, and you will land on your NotebookLM dashboard. So you will see something like this. On the dashboard. You will see create new notebook feature, a list of any notebooks you create, access to sources, Q&As and summaries. So this is important notes for students. For anybody who is using Google Notebook LM, it is free to use. Notebook LM is a free to use with a Google account. It is still in experimental phase. It is still in beta phase or experimental phase. So new features are being added regularly. It is a web-based tool. You don't need to install anything. You don't have to download a software. You don't need to install it on your computer. It is all in your web browser. You don't have to install anything. It is desktop optimized, works best on desktop, laptop, but mobile support is improving. So as I explained in the video, if you go to Google search and type Google Notebook LM and click on the first link, if you click on the first link, it will take you directly to Google Notebook LM in a minute. See, it is taking me directly to Google Notebook LM. So you see something like this. Click on try Notebook LM and it will take you to the main interface where you can create notebooks. So this is the Notebook LM interface. I really hope you find this information helpful. Thank you very much for watching. I will catch you in the next video. Bye bye.